Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte tablet, and as you can see on my device, I have installed Google Calendar. It works perfectly with my Google account. I have Google Maps. It works perfectly. I have even YouTube Music, and even Google Sheets. As you can see, all Google services are working perfectly, and now I'm going to show you how to make the same with your device. Okay, at the very beginning, we should open AppGallery. Then in this application, this is just Play Store for HUAWEI's, right? Then here, just find microG. And here we have two key applications. So click Install microG Service, and it will automatically install microG Companion too. Okay, then open microG Companion. So wait a while, it's installing. Okay, now open microG Companion, and here you will see Google Accounts. Click on it, click Add a Google Account, sign in, and sign in into your Google Ac. In my case, I'll log in into for test. Only two. Then input your password. Afterwards, click Next. Maybe it will send you something to confirm, some notification to confirm on your another device. If you have two-step verification, so just confirm it, click I agree, and cool, that's it. As you can see, I've logged in into my Google account. So what the next? In the next step, open your web browser and find in Google Uptodown.com. Just open this website. Then click on the option button on the left top corner of your screen. If you have another language, just switch to English first. Then click on the option again. Scroll down and find here Uptodown App Store. Click on it. Wait a while and click Download. Click Download. Wait a while. Download Uptodown application on your HUAWEI tablet. Click Install. Click Open. Then you will have this pop-up window. So enabling this pop-up window access to all files. Open it on the full screen. Click Accept. Allow app install. Click Next. Enter as a guest. And it will ask you for updates your key apps. Wait, can I? No, unfortunately, there is no landscape mode on this application. So click Go to Updates, update microG Companion application and microG services. This is the key to have Google Play Store working. Okay, now click Install. Okay. Cool. Now go back and find here your favorite Google apps. For example, Sheets, install YouTube. Okay, Sheets are installing. Install. Done. YouTube, YouTube Music, Google Chrome, and other Google applications. You can even find the WhatsApp here. Okay. There is an ad here, so I should reload this application. Agree. Okay, downloads completed. Go to downloads, allow everything, then just click Google Play Store, install, open YouTube Music, click install, and then you just can download Google Maps, Google Chrome, Google, I don't know, any Google application, even Google One. Okay, click done. So you install the YouTube. Done. And cool. That's it. And as you can see now, I have this application here. So now we can just click on our Google Sheets app, and as you can see, all my sheets are here. And as you can see, it's connected to my Google account. I just provided several minutes ago. And as you can see, everything works fine on my device, on my HUAWEI device. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. So please don't forget to leave me a like and a comment below. See you.